I use this right here to do the mixture of the antifreeze to a 50-50. You're gonna need a empty bottle, which is I kept this one on hand just in case I need to remix some more antifreeze, and I wrote 50-50 on there, but this one's empty now. I used all of them already. Make sure you use a concentrated solution to pre-dilute it to 50%. You're gonna need a funnel. Open the new bottle up. Now pour half of the bottle in there. About half. Now you want to use a distilled water, because distilled water have no minerals in it. You don't want minerals inside your cooling system, your radiator and your motor, so you gotta use distilled water. And I'll show you why you want to use distilled water, and you don't want to use tap water because it have too much mineral in it. This cup right here is a tap water, and the yellow cup is a purified water, and I'll show you why. This is my TDS tester. It's a total dissolved solid tester to test the water, see how much mineral the water contains. Alright, this is a tap water. You can see it's about 181 ppm part per million, which is a lot of minerals in it. And this cup is a purified water for drinking. So it has 23 ppm part per million in it, so that's good for drinking. Alright, check it out. 0. So it's good for your radiator coolant. So you can use this water, distilled water, to mix your antifreeze. Now it's time to mix. Half and half. Then close the lid and shake it. Mix it up. Right now it's showing about right here, but I want an antifreeze to be up to here, right between there, to be 50%. So what you do, you need to add more antifreeze and mix it up. That means this one got too much water in it, so you need more antifreeze for the needle to go up to 50-50, which is about 265 degrees Fahrenheit. Gotta make some more. Close the lid. Shake the bottle. Now test it again. Alright, that looks pretty good right there. It's about this mark, which is 265 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 50-50 mixture. So that's perfect. Now one concentrated bottle makes 2 gallons, so you'll be able to save pretty good amount of money. This one costs 15 bucks, so you divide that in half, that's 750, and the water costs about a buck. So that's 750, and half of the gallon, that's 50 cents. That's 8 bucks right there. And then you got another gallon, which is another $8, which is 16 bucks, ready to use antifreeze for your radiator.